Also, number one is just a lot of clients love it as well. So I have this is my colors, and is for a wire, not like too long, but I'm so happy that I have a whole collection now. So great to have all the color. Am I thinking of? Okay, Kia for 60 seconds. And hope everyone having a fabulous day. What I'm gonna do is number 2. Wanna swatch 2 nails at the same time. I think that's the colors that I have on this one. So gorgeous. I love this. Hey Dom, how are you? Happy Tuesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a fabulous day and getting ready for holiday with your family. If anyone cooking at all, probably everyone cooking. It's just like a matter if you cook a lot or more or a little. Okay, number 2 is Young Peach. Number 3, be honest, this is my favorite colors. It's hard to choose which one. If I have to pick one, this will be the color I want. So I'm going to do, in the meantime, we're waiting for each of them mark here. I'm going to keep swatching this. This is everything. I loving these colors. It's always my number one that I know why. It's just like, just really so beautiful. All right, so number 3. Back to number 1, which is baby pink. So I am doing one layer first and key it for 60 seconds. So you're getting closer to the cuticles, and one strokes in the middles and going to the right and going to the left. And the bristle is so easy for you to get so close to the cuticle without like overlap on the cuticles. And then afterwards, you're going to be like just feather touching, brush, and move along with the nails plate, but don't pull it so hard to create like streaky. Just floating it a thin, and it's gonna make it really nice and easy for you. Solid like finish, like opaque finish. So number 2, Young Peach. So when you're getting your bottle, it's gonna be prettier than mine, because mine is but then we have a lot of like unboxing videos. This and a lot of Glitz babe getting the colors and never like unboxing, because a lot of them are, you know, on social media to watch and to see, but they are not active. But they are getting a full life to the gel polish, to the added on additions on their salon services. I love Glitz color. It's so vibrant. So you can see that it's really pigmented, but it's not runny at all. Get a little bit fur from my nail surface. Alright, so gorgeous. Okay. So number 4. This one done? This one done?
This one.
Number 2.
And 3.
It's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. That is so beautiful though. Okay, you want to see those? Okay. 3.